Alright, in this video we will look at how to post job opportunities to the website. It's going to go in two different spots, so I'll walk you through each of them. First thing we have to do is get to the job opportunities page. It's under district. So two ways I can get there. I can go through this sidebar if you have this open and click job opportunities. I can also go through the top here and click manage pages. When I do that, that shows me every page that's on the website. The initial drop down when I first click only shows me pages that we visited recently to do work on. So now that I am on this job opportunities page, excuse me, I am going to add a certified position for the district, and it's the facilities manager. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this text here. Now if this area didn't have any positions, like right now West doesn't have any certified positions, I could just right click and duplicate this text and then drag the copy down to here just so it's formatted the same as everything else, and then I can change the name and the link to what I needed it to be. But in this case we already have text that says substitute nurses here. We're just going to add to that little text box. So I'm going to double click on this or hit edit text, and I'm going to hit enter, and I'm simply going to type out the name of the position. So this is a facilities manager. Then I'm going to highlight that text, and I'm going to add a link. And that link is going to be a document. I'm going to choose the file, and I'm going to need to upload this. So I'm going to hit upload. Now I know mine is on the desktop. It's right here. Easiest way for me, honestly, is I can just do this and kind of cheat here, and now it found that right there. So I'm going to hit open. So however you know how to upload a document, go ahead and do that. Alright, now that I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and add that to the page. And there's the document there that we just added, and I'm done. Now if you were to publish this site, that facilities manager position is going to show up. Alright, there we go. So that's one of the spots we want to post it. The other spot would be under the blog. What that will do is that'll make it show up in the news feed. So I'm going to go to my blog. I'm going to I can manage or add a new post. I really just want to add a new post, so I'm going to go ahead straight there. I'm going to do job opportunity. I'm going to do facilities manager. And you can call these what you think is appropriate. Maybe in-house posting would be better than job opportunity. Alright, so I am simply going to say add image first. Let's see if we can get this to show. Now it may not take that PDF as an image. Yeah, you know what? It's not going to. So what we could do is, you already know how to take a PDF and turn it into a picture. You've done that before on the old site. I'm going to do this in a slightly different way because I'm on a Mac, but I'm going to take this one and I'm just going to save this as a picture. And this is just to kind of make it look nice. Let's do this on the desktop. This will just make our posting look nicer. That's the only reason I'm doing this picture right now. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and upload an image because I saved that as an image. Again, you kind of have your own way of doing that, and that's fine. You can keep going with that way. So there's the one I want to use as my picture for this thing. I'm going to hit done, and I'm going to apply that to the web page. So there we go. Now I got this. Now I do want to put in that alt text. Again, that will make the site ADA compliant. Facilities manager posting. Alright, so then I'm going to actually add a link to this so that people can open up that PDF. So I'm going to add a document. I'm going to choose my document, and we already have it. It should be this one here. It was the most recent one that I uploaded, so I'm going to go ahead and apply that. So now when somebody clicks on this picture, it will show the PDF. And one other thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to put something in here about clicking that. if I can get off of this picture. Honestly, I'm going to save this as a draft and go back to it. I don't know why I wasn't able to like kind of click away from that. I'm sure there's an easy way, I'm just not seeing. So now that I'm going to go back and then edit this draft, and I want to make it so that I can type in here. There we go. Let's pull this up so I can see what I'm typing. Click to enlarge. I'm just going to center that text. And actually, I might even put the picture after this. I'm just going to drag the picture down to below. Click to enlarge posting. And then I just have to make sure that in categories, I tag this as district. Now that will show up as one of the items on the news feed. And again, people will see this. When they click on it, they'll see the actual PDF. So I'm going to go ahead and publish that post. And now I've done both. I've put it onto the news feed, and I've also placed it into the website itself on our job opportunities page. So last thing I want to do is I just want to check, make sure that all of that worked correctly. So I'm going to refresh the actual schools page. And there it is, in-house posting, facilities manager. I'm going to click on that, make sure all this works. And there it is. All right, so that one worked. So now I just want to check the other spot and make sure that under district job opportunities, I click on facilities manager and the right document shows up, and it does. All right, so we are all set.